Hello. We're being very weird this morning, but hello. I hope everyone is doing great today. And as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing another quick look here on this channel. And today we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Carli Bybel palette. In my opinion, this palette didn't get enough love, and I think the color story is fantastic. You can get a lot of really easy and fun looks, which is what we'll be doing today. So let's just jump right into everything. All right, dolls, I made sure to zoom you guys in, and we're going to start with the shade Bear right here, which is a really nice satin beige, and my lids are already primed with some Milani eyeshadow primer, and I'll be applying the shade Bear from the start of my crease all the way to the brow bone, as I usually tend to do. I don't understand still to this day why this palette got so much hate and dislike and so many like shitty reviews. I think Carli came up with a wonderful color story, and it's very on brand for her, to be honest. She does a lot of really nice, very simple, neutral looks, or sometimes very sultry. She does do a colorful look here and there, but for the most part, her aesthetic is just very classy and just, I love her. I love Carli. I think she's wonderful. I've been watching her channel for years. So I was super stoked when this palette came out, and it really upset me that it got so many negative reviews because I bought it on launch day and I haven't had a single issue with this palette or the formula. I think it's very on par with all the other Anastasia palettes that I've ever gotten my hands on and have worked with. So next, we're going to dip right into the shade Bybel, which is this beautiful brown with like a hint of plumminess. I absolutely love it, and I'm just going to pop that all over my crease. We just want it to be very nice and soft. What have you guys been doing so far this week? The day that I'm filming this is on Wednesday. I'm hoping I can have this video up for you guys by tomorrow. So far this week, we have started on our kitchen remodel, which I'm super excited about. We're doing everything ourselves, just me and my husband. We're redoing the countertops, replacing the sink, and replacing the faucet and garbage disposal. It's been a big challenge so far because we've had to break it up into chunks. It's not like I can do any of this stuff on my own. Definitely need some manpower here, but I've been very excited about it. It's gonna be a very fun DIY project. The only part right now that's been really bad, I would say, is just not having a sink in the kitchen. So cooking and all that stuff has been very, very difficult for the simple fact that I've been having to go clean my bathroom sink, disinfect it first, wait for the disinfectant to settle, and then having to wash my dishes in my bathroom sink. So that's been the only inconvenience, but at least I still have a sink somewhere, you know? All right, so we're done with the crease. I love how that came out. So now we're going to dip into the shade. If my camera would like to focus, there we go, Libra. And I'm going to be applying that color from the outer V area to about halfway on my eyelid. I'm just gonna use a nice flat shader brush. Such a beautiful color. Again, I don't understand all the flack that this palette got. I do sympathize with the people that suffer from, I believe it's called typophobia, which is like a fear of holes. So I do sympathize with you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm sure some of you Carli fans might have this condition or might suffer from it, and it must make it very sad and uncomfortable for the fact that you guys couldn't get your hands on this palette just because of the feelings that it brings up when you look at the packaging. And I totally understand, but just the overwhelming amount of negative reviews that this palette got makes me feel so sorry for Carli. I mean, it got leaked early. It was a mess, y'all. Like an absolute mess in that sense. And it's been on sale probably since December or early January. And again, Carli deserves so much better. Anastasia, you fucked up. Like, how are you gonna put out, like, what did they put out? Like 5, 6 influencer collabs? And then the whole Norvina line? Like, so no, that ain't it. And I'm just going back in with my crease brush and a little bit of Bybel and trying to kind of fuse these two shades together a little bit. Ooh, pretty. We love it. And next we're gonna dip into one of my favorite shades here in this palette, and that is the color Mandala or Manzala. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but it's this beautiful purpley lavender shade. Oh, it's just so gorgeous. And I'm going to apply that to the rest of the available lid space. It's a very, very beautiful color. Oh my god, that's so pretty! I have this reaction every time I use this shade. I'm going back in just with my finger and pressing this shade into my eyelid. There's something about this shimmer that when you kind of use the warmth of your finger, it makes it blend out and look so much better. All right, so we're finished with the eyes for now. I'm going to go quickly off camera and finish up the rest of my face, and I will jump right back in so we can finish up with our lower lash line and everything else that we'll be doing on the eyes. All right, I'll see you in a sec. Okay, I'm back. However, I ended up finishing my eyes off of camera. I am so sorry. So I'm just going to walk you through the final steps of the eye look really quick on camera with you guys. All I did was go back into the shade Bybel and apply that to my lower lash line. We're not dragging it far out or anything, so I'm just going to apply a little bit more so we can do this together. And I am connecting it to where we ended with Bybel in the crease. Can do that on the other side. The last step that I did on the eyes is applying the shade Boli, which is this beautiful pinky shimmer with a little bit of glitter. And I applied that shade on my inner corner area. So I'm just going to reapply some more, again, so we can do this together, since I forgot. Surprise record. Actually, you know what? I think we did need to reapply both these colors, so. No regrets. You know, things happen for a reason sometimes. All right, we're done with the eyes, so I'm going to finish up the rest of my face, and I will jump right back in and show you the finished and final look for today. All right, my darlings, so this is the finished look for today. I'm absolutely in love with it. Like I said, I love this palette, so I knew it was gonna be a hit from the get-go. So all I did on the eyes was add a pair of false lashes, and the lashes that I used today are the Kiss Natural Lashes in the style Shy. They are beautiful, very natural looking lashes. I didn't want to go over the top or anything. And the other finishing touch that I added to my eyes is applying a little bit of this Urban Decay 24/7 liner in the shade Whiskey just on my lower inner rim, and that was it. And I also, I'm gonna mention this gloss real quick because I'm obsessed with it. I've been wearing it so much lately, and that is the Wet Cherry Gloss by Lime Crime in the shade Naked Cherry. It's absolutely stunning, and what I love about this gloss, I'm gonna just throw this in real quick. As soon as it wears off, it leaves the most nice mauve-y, pinky, nude stain on the lips, and it looks very, very beautiful once it wears down. It's a gorgeous gloss. I love this formula. So that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for spending this time here with me today so we can do this quick and fun look using the Carli Bybel palette. I hope you are all doing wonderful and staying safe and taking your vitamins and just taking care of yourselves. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye. It's me again. And my earring fell off. All right. Can't stop laughing.